Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the custom spacing on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Format tab, and then select Line and Paragraph Spacing, and then select Custom Spacing. And you can adjust the before and after, as well as how many spaces you want to occur, and then select Apply. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.